Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XL trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and recently detailed so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back seat where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle you have 2 cup holders, you have a 12-volt power outlet and a USB or 2 USBs. Do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle and vinyl flooring underneath, so no need to worry about a dirty carpet. This truck does also have a dealer installed remote start, so no need to worry about going outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking on the inside, you have your power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at only 12,392 kilometers, so really not a lot of mileage on this vehicle. And on the right, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. And then you have your display mode for tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty. You can also look at your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a small cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then beneath your climate controls, you have a compartment which opens to reveal a USB and some space for stuff. Then you have your center console area where you have 2 cup holders, a pretty deep storage bin there, and a locking center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. And inside you have a ton of room, including another 12-volt power outlet right there. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.